Did you know yawning is more than just a sign of sleepiness? It's a fascinating behavior with a surprising scientific twist. First off, ever notice how yawning is contagious? When you see someone yawn, your brain might just trigger an urge to do the same. This is linked to empathy and social bonding. We mirror each other's behaviors to connect better. But that's not all. Yawning also helps cool down your brain. When we yawn, we take in a deep breath, which increases airflow to the brain, lowering its temperature. Think of it as a natural refresh button. Plus, yawning increases blood flow and brings in more oxygen, helping to keep us alert. So next time you find yourself yawning, remember, it's not just fatigue, it's your brain's way of saying, let's cool down and connect. Isn't science amazing?